multiplying and dividing fractions. So we've got about 15 minutes. As with normal fractions, we multiply the numerators, and I made a mistake. That should say the numerators and the denominators. Sorry.
We simplify, multiply, and
For division, we flip the second fraction, find the reciprocal, and then multiply.
I know reciprocal.
That's where you flip.
Yeah, you flip it.
That's a mathematical word for flip.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay, so I'm going to work through these and then I'll give you some more to do after. So simplify, we just multiply across the top and the bottom. Does it matter that that's A and that's B?
No, we just go
No.
6AB.
It would matter if it was plus. Why would it matter if it was plus? Yes?
Because they are not like terms.
Correct, because they are not like terms. So 2A times 3B is
6AB.
6AB
That's right.
all over 35. Can we simplify any further?
Yes. Yeah.
No.
No.
No, you can't.
No, because
Oh, no, wait, we can.
Wait, so that only goes for addition. So,
No, you cannot simplify.
Yes, we can.
2A times by
Yes.
3B. 2
Yeah.
times is 30.
Nothing in
And then
6
A
goes
and
to
B
35 and nothing in
added on
35
because
goes to
A and B are like.
We have to.
times.
What's the? I saw that in my tongue.
Now do you get it? Last term.
Isn't it like
Okay, hang on. We're not plussing or minusing anything else on, so there's no like terms to simplify. If we did want to simplify, we'd look and say, do 6 and 5 have a common factor?
No.
No.
Exactly.
So we can't simplify further. Okay? So that's the final answer.
If it was 6 times 6 is what?
Now, with really important listening, with part B, there's two ways you can go about it. You can either cancel factors first and then multiply, or multiply and then cancel the factors. So if we were to multiply and then cancel the factors, we simply multiply across like so. 4x times 3y is 12xy all over 30. Does 12 and 30 have any common factors? 6 goes into both. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. And we end up with 2xy over 5. The other way that we could have done that is to cancel out the factors first. So, I have the question 4x over 15 times 3y over 2. There's factors that are on the top and on the bottom that we can cross out.
The 4 and the 2 both go into each other.
Yep.
The 4 goes 2
Yep,
twice, and the 2 we change it to a 1.
yep, exactly.
And then the same with the 3 and the 15. The 3 would be a 1, and the 15 would be a 5.
Yeah, so we could cancel first before we multiply, which means that our answer would be fully simplified anyway, because we just end up with 2xy over 5, which is what we have here, except without this extra line of working. Yeah, because 12 and 30 have a highest common factor of 6, so 6 goes into both. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay?
I'm so confused still.
In part C, whenever there's a division, same with fractions back in year 7, what did you do when there's a division? Flip it and?
and then make it a time.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So 3a over 8 times 5 over b, multiplying across 15a over 8b. Can we simplify?
No.
No.
Why didn't you swap
The other side.
Yeah, you just.
Yep. When we're multiplying fractions, you only swap the second fraction.
Oh, okay. And can't you put that in a mixed numerals?
When we're dealing with algebraic fractions, we leave it as improper fractions. We don't then go and simplify to mixed numerals. Okay, because this is 1 and 7/8, so we don't write 1 and 7a over 8b because it's too messy. All right, we leave it like that. Because then if we were to go and change this to an improper fraction, you know how you would multiply and then you plus that on? So that would be 8b plus 7a over 8b, which isn't what we have there, because b and a don't go together to give 15a. So we're going to leave it as an improper fraction. Okay, in part D.
Is that a U?
Yep. So u over 4 times 2 over 15p. Now I'm going to times across, and I'll do it the other way if you simplify it straight away. So 2u over 60p. 2 and 60, do they have any common factors?
Yes.
Yes, what are they?
Oh.
Common factors. 2. So the highest common factor is 2. 2 divided by 2 is?
1.
60 divided by 2 is?
30.
30. So the answer is?
U over 30.
Yes.
U over 30p. Now, if, once you get to this step here where we've got U over 4 times 2 over 15p, if you had recognised that there's a factor on the top that appears in the bottom and cancelled first, so you could have done divide by 2 gives 1, divide by 2 gives 2, you would end up with that simplified answer straight away, so that we get U over 30p. Okay, questions? For part A, just conscious that the bell's going to go soon. 1 times A is just A over 63. Can you not see? Yes, the next one.
Why don't we do the
You only do the reciprocal when we are dividing. Okay, when we're timesing, we just times across. The next one, timesing across the top and the bottom, 4c over 25. There's no common factors, so we can't cancel anything else. That's the final answer. Yes?
Can I do the next one?
Yes?
Okay, so you have to do 2x over 5 times 7 over 3.
Yeah, good.
And that will get you 14x over 15.
Yeah, excellent. Good, thank you. Part D is kind of hard, yes?
So we go 4x over 5
Yeah.
times 1 over 3.
Excellent.
Oh my god.
Why is it 1 over 3?
Because one's invisible, one is under 3.
Good girl, thank you. So timesing across then?
Yeah, so it's 4x over 15.
4x over 15, good.
I
Saved by the bell.
I didn't get this one.
That's over 1.
Yeah. And then
So 1 times 2 over x. 1 over 1 times 2 over x. Multiplying across just gives 2 over x.
Okay, thank you.
And the next one, that's an invisible 1 on the bottom.
That one's saved.
Timesing across, but you could have just cancelled out and your answer would just be
X.
Or
1.
1. Well, those cancel, okay? You just get 1.
Wait,